Number 3, how much interest is earned on a $600 investment after 3 years if the interest rate is 2%? Let's clarify that this should be the annual interest rate, meaning that that's how much gets paid every year. All right, so let's go through, pause the video right now, and underline or highlight the key pieces of information in this problem. I highlighted all of the numbers that we need to be using, and what I'm looking for is the amount of interest that's earned. That's really the key piece of information that I need to focus on. So let's plug in our values. I'm looking for the interest earned. So that's going to be my unknown that I'm solving for. My principal, that's my $600 investment. That's what I'm starting with. My rate, my interest rate is 2%. So I can think of this as 2%, but I'm going to always need it as a decimal, so I'll change that to 0.02. And this is happening over the course of 3 years. Since I'm given an annual interest rate, which is 2%, and my time is given in years, I don't need to worry about converting anything. A quick note, if it doesn't say if the interest rate is annual or not, you should assume that it's annual. Usually they're given to us in terms of years. If it's not in years, it will tell you in the problem. So if it doesn't say, assume that it's given in years. So the next step is to just plug these values into our problem, into our formula. So we're using I equals PRT. We don't know what I is, but we know P, R, and T. So let's plug these values in. We're solving for I. Our principal is $600. Our rate is 0.02. We're doing this over the course of 3 years. So to finish solving for our interest amount, what we'll do is just multiply those values on the right-hand side of the equation. When I multiplied them, I got 36. So what this means for us is that if you invest $600 at a rate of 2% simple interest for 3 years, you will earn $36 in interest. That's the actual answer to our question. What that means for your account is that your account will now have $636, right? Because you started with 600 and then you earned 36 more dollars. So the answer to the question is 36, but it means in the real world that you would have $636 in total.